Effort, syth I fewn. Syth I fewn. Don't give a shit. Don't give a shit! Hello. People on? Oh. Gweithio pob yn cadw'n iawn. Dim big plan to literally just chwarae Civ.
This river has floodplains, which means it has flooded before, and might burst its banks again. A flood along this river could happen at any point in the future. This presents us with risks.
Our civilization has accomplished something historic.
What? Dwi'n licio rhan yma. Un reroll arall. Un reroll. Fe? Exit y main menu. Gweithio pob yn cadw'n iawn. Create game. Dwi am chwarae standard game speed. Dwi am chwarae Prince tro yma. Dwi am fynd amdan... Right. Dwi'n mynd am Science Victory, so dwi angen... Lle wyt ti? Xenodoc. Map size. Large. Dwi ddim am wneud hein. Continents Earth. Digon o Yorkshire Tea. Dwi efo Yorkshire Tea mewn barod. Dwi'n yn gwybod pa gem i chwarae. Dyma continents. Just get continents done. Prince ydi fatha canol. Dwi'n licio stwff extra yma. Just get it done. Just get it done. O'n i eisiau streamio beth, o'n i'n gwybod beth eisiau streamio.
To the great beasts of the
Dwi just need to cyrraedd yn 6.
The man taking his first upright steps, you have come far. Now begins your greatest quest. From this early cradle of civilization on towards the stars. Queen Sandu, the stars reveal you lead career to greatness. Build Seun to educate your
Seun.
For the secrets of the world are theirs to uncover. For those who would steal your knowledge, treat them to a rain of rocket-propelled fire from your Huacha. Reach for the heavens, shrewd queen, and your people will reach with you.
A hi dwi isio ta dwi'n mynd i chwarae fatha Rome.
This river has floodplains.
How? Vanna, that's where I'm going. To production, to food. team. Oh, okay. Zit we gold er, Zit we nu met de map, joh. Oké. Dit doen we... Hier. Daarbij. Doe me middel... Ja, wil ik raam, dus wil ik
Civilization has accomplished something historic,
Yes.
worthy of being celebrated and remembered.
Cool. Is dit? 3 en wind. Oh! Ha. 1, 2. 1, 2. Zo, man. Shit. Wil dat? 2, 3, 4. 3. Wat je mening, bro? Doe zo. Hoe doe ik het aan? Mining gynta. Mining. Fela. Hwna hynna gynta. Hynna gynta. Give me some scouts. Ah! Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. We angen settler. Oh my god, so 4 production yma. 3 production yma. Dwi angen fama. ASAP. Ah, dos o yma! O, marble yma fyd.
This volcano is quiet now.
Dwi eisiau volcano. Gymera hwnna, de?
When you find
Voor... Buenos Aires. Oeh, maar waar maar iets daar weer een production. Give. Yes! Dwi'n pinned lawr am yma. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n pinned am yma, ynddo. Dwi'n gwybod be dwi'n mynd i wneud. Vi fy hun. Pwysio hwnna de.
It is not wisdom.
Give me fucking 10. Cau fyna off. Do you mind fucking fight, mate? Oh, fucking hell.
Must feel happy in the
Gewoon, hè. Het doet je wat aardproduction. I doen, oes oes. Zoals die aarde wat doen nou doen. 1, 2, 3. Sweet spot. Silver. Oh yeah. Yeah. Dwi'n mynd lle da iawn o fe fyna dwi.
Oddly,
Steam hisses from the ground here. Right.
it appears not to be the scar of a meteorite.
Oh, hello.
汝是来也，其欲观秦国山川之
Hello.
盛。寡人乃秦之主也。
It's an honor to meet you. Yeah. Class. Give me a minute there. Yeah.
May I make a suggestion?
9 tiles. Un reroll arall. Un reroll arall. Dwi eisiau bod yn hwnna. Dwi eisiau bod yn hi ddo. I'm going Rome. I'm going fucking Rome. Play now. O na! Play now! Neud automatic i chdi! Oh!
From the first
Oh,
stirrings
fucking
of
fuck
life
off.
beneath water, to the great beasts of the Stone Age, to man taking his first upright steps, you have come far. Now begins your greatest quest. From this early cradle of civilization on towards the stars. Queen Wilhelmina, you will defend the Netherlands to the last.
This river has floodplains, which means it is
Pam ti'n mynd yn reifi wrth ymwyl y fucking desert? Come on. Prince. Hold on. 20% towards all districts. Yeah, mae Australia yn reit... Dwi'n gwybod pwy dwi isio. Ooh, all units receive one site, one. Plus one technical capacity when the civilization is met. Open borders with all city-states. Production if they have either received a declaration of war or lived with the city in the past. Pwy ni'n chwarae? Happy Cities reserve an additional 5% science. We're all about science. So there, doing it. Fi jyst yn licio perk fo gormod.
From the first stirrings of life beneath water to the great beasts of the Stone Age.
Fi jyst yn licio perk o
Man
gormod.
taking his first upright steps, you have come far.
You have come far.
Now begins your greatest quest. From this early cradle of civilization on towards the stars.
On towards.
Cast your net wide, O Trajan, Emperor of mighty Rome. Your legions stand at the ready to march out and establish the largest empire the world has ever seen. If you can truly get all roads to lead to Rome, yours will be an empire of great riches
Yeah,
and luxuries.
Rwan, dwi'n
Surely
dechrau.
then our citizens will proclaim you as their best ruler, the Optimus Princeps.
Ulis Roger. Oh my god! Pan dwi fama? Iawn, last roll. Hwn di last roll fi. Dwi yn meddwl mae Civilization yn anheg. Maen nhw'n mynnu rei chdi. Maen nhw'n mynnu rei chdi yn...
From the first stirrings of life beneath water
Wel,
to the great beasts of the Stone Age, to man taking his first upright steps, you have come far. Now begins your greatest quest. From this early cradle of civilization on towards the stars. Cast your net wide, O Trajan, Emperor of mighty Rome. Your legions stand at the ready to march out and establish the largest empire the world has ever seen. If you can truly get all roads to lead to Rome,
A tiding
yours will be
post
an
just then.
empire of great riches and luxuries. Surely then our citizens will proclaim you
Iawn,
as their
does space
best
i digwydd
ruler,
wan.
the
Start
Optimus
of playthrough.
Princeps.
This river has floodplains, which means it has flooded before, and might burst its banks again.
Appeal. Oh my god. Last roll. Last roll. Justice protection. Gewoon in protection.
From the first stirrings of life beneath water to the great beasts of the Stone Age,
21 minutes
to
doen stream
man
op
taking
dat
his
gaan
first
gamen.
upright steps, you have come far.
Ja,
Now
dat is
begins your
best
greatest
the good one.
quest.
Dat is
From
best
this
the good one.
early cradle of
Kachgoed.
civilization
Like
onward
it's an art.
towards the stars. Cast your net wide,
Die mooie
O Trajan,
restats. Die mooie
Emperor
restats.
of mighty Rome. Your legions stand at the ready to march out and establish the largest empire the world has ever seen. If you can truly get all roads to lead to Rome, yours will be an empire of great riches and luxuries. Surely then our citizens will proclaim you as their best ruler, the Optimus Princeps.
Our civilization has accomplished something historic, worthy of being
This river has floodplain.
Stop het even af.
Steam hisses from the...
Okay. Oh, nee, dat is bij mij. Baba. Baba. Open ability tree. Bang. 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 We the scouts. Oh, wat morgen, wat een deel.
This volcano is quiet now.
Een volcano. Oeh. Wie, Tegen. Yes!
It is not wisdom.
Policies. Whoa. Okay.
Who deserves more credit than the one?
Cool. One bishop settler.
أنا السلطان موسى سيد مالي.
Okay, on the Dimitu. Okay.
Anuk dido hamalkot uha umle.
Dwi'n mynd tystu hi y gwbl.
As our civic knowledge grows, so do our methods of governance.
That's the positive aspect of trade.
No. Yeah. Okay. Nine. Now. Tail your sweet spot here. Keep going north.
If there are no dogs in heaven,
Relegations. Welcome. One, two, three, four, five, six. Sack, man.
ماذا فعلتم ليأخذ الله منكم تلك المكافأة؟
بعدنا. مو بيت سديت بمت. الله. Oh, spell boosts. Boost for days.
skill without imagination.
Stick.
May I make a suggestion?
So you there? Oh.
I thought Clay must feel.
Oh shit, Michelle. Send delegation. Thank you. Send delegation. Thank you very much. The delegation is most welcome. Så vi är i 1, 2, 3. Där. But just what? Hello, Tamar. Honor to meet you.
Writing is easy.
Hello. Delegation, most welcome. Most welcome, delegation.
We now have the opportunity to appoint a governor to our civilization. Our governor is now on their way to their...
Look back over the past.
Yes!
Our people have chosen to create a city along the low coast, within the sound of the ocean.
Class. Oh, the Chopin shit. be the right. Shit. Shit. Oh. Yeah. Shit. Plus 4. Okay, so we're going
افرحوا معي يا أصدقاء لأننا أحرار.
he needs it.
Yabu usher lamakumkom.
The man who has grit enough to bring...
Okay, so keep map. Ooh, Hunting Gardens. Oh, gimana?
Once again, we have the opportunity to enhance our powers of governance. We are now ready to choose where to build our government.
Potions. Point.
A strong economy. With the sun shining brightly,
Ooh.
then dusk's mist falling.
Ooh. Hmm. Do it up. Hmm.
It is not that life ashore is...
Go. Present. Good.
Civilizations have uncovered new technologies and civics.
Oh.
And
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
We are losing loyalty in one of our cities.
Waar iawn, waar iawn. Paidwch poeni am hynna. Evidence. Reassign. Ooh, bitte. Okay. Ooh. Yes. Why not? Yeah. Go for it. Go for it, man.
Divide and rule.
I'll take that. Nerede? Söyle. Finish. Should divine right. Ooh, yeah. Communism. Give me the communism.
Bronze is the mirror of the form.
Give me a set. Ik ben onderzoeken.
The time has come to choose which of our accomplishments. History marches forward, and the world has entered a new era.
I don't believe in astrology. I'm a The ascent to the highest story is by stairs, and at their side are water engines, by means
Hanging
of which
gardens.
persons appointed expressly for the purpose are continually employed in raising water from the Euphrates into the garden. The poets have been mysteriously silent on the subject of cheese.
لا مش محتاج كده كم انا ضايع just need sure nah we hang on there. To słowa. Zwrócę. Trzeba byłoby. No. Ooh, sucks for you. Yes. Oh, yes.
If bread is the first necessity of life, recreation is a close second.
No. That's it. Settler.
Our people know this
Nah,
new
but-
resource may be essential for building certain
Bym głos
military
Simon
units,
Danowa.
and they have begun to stockpile it for future use. We should
Be dwi'n
manage
teimlo
our
amdano fo
use of
di,
this resource to
di'r
make the
golden
most
yn
of it.
werth o, mae'r dark yn ffwcio run chdi. den är bättre mot kunderna.
When wasteful war shall statues overturn.
Kalvarna. Så det blir väl att vi kör.
Azametü Topkapı'dan ben
ما باي ما بدك السايبه من ده ما باي ما بدك السايبه ما باي ما بدك السايبه من كنت بدي اخاف فاكن No!
Don't reinvent the wheel.
No! Nerede? Ne? 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 Done. Okay. Dwi ddim yn gwybod faint o good choice oedd hwnna. Fuck it, ti be? Just cause we fucking gallu pyramids. Wedyn dwi'n mynd i gael Governor. Reassign. What? Nah, fuck off.
I've lived through some terrible things in my life, some of which actually happened. With the and that with the no. فضل بختيه Yes. Point. Oh. Fortify. Wealth consists not in having great.
Yes, give me some fucking money. Yes, med eien vi. Anzio. Ja. Dim werth bit siade. Seven the greater. Shit. It's all about the ancient. Und wir wissen schon. Oh? Ja. Då ser jag and do your fucking thing. Shit.
One man's magic
Yes.
is another man's engineering.
Get that fuck. Get that fucking hooker. Yes. Oh my god, jongens. Oeh, two. Oh, yeah. Fun there. Machu Picchu. Fucking get it. Fucking built. I know. No suitable location. What? I beg to differ. Yeah. Right, now give me a +1. Give me a +1.
Invincibility lies in the defense, the possibility of victory in the attack.
Du med mig guffiga. Nej men ja. +3, vänta. +4, vänta. Oh my god. Nej, 10, vänta. 30 points. Whatever. Don't care. Don't care.
The Lord made us all out of iron.
Oh, pass. Dwi efo irons, dwi'n bothered am iron. Right. Good deal. I'll give him hwnna.
May the forces of evil become...
Right. Cells. Fuck shit. Oh yeah. Big deal. Big deal on chocolate. Oh yes.
Sadıcı han olacaksan önce halkının üstadı ol.
Cow.
افرحوا معي يا أصدقاء لأننا
No hour of life is wasted that is spent in the saddle.
Seven. Shoot. Oh, die pistol die waren ook. Get that. We angen expandio. What? Pam ti'n surprise warn fi? Seriously? Nations. Come on. Ancient. That's enough gold. How did they surprise warn of it?
core building blocks of the...
It's been put there. Dechrau eto, dwi'n lycio na, mae'n cheatio. Restart, eisiau safio. Oops.
From the first stirrings of life beneath water, to the great beasts of the Stone Age, to man taking his first upright steps, you have come far. Now begins your greatest quest. From this early cradle of civilization on towards the stars. Cast your net wide, O Trajan, Emperor of mighty Rome. Your legions stand at the ready to march out and establish the largest empire the world has ever seen. If you can truly get all roads to lead to Rome, yours will be an empire of great riches and luxuries. Surely then our citizens will proclaim you...
Yo, it's all about the cash. All about cash.
Prince.
No, no, no.
First stirrings of life beneath water, to the great beasts of the Stone Age, to man taking his first upright steps, you have come far. Now begins your greatest quest. From this early cradle of civilization on towards the stars. Cast your net wide, O Trajan, Emperor of mighty Rome. Your legions stand at the ready to march out and establish the largest empire the world has ever seen. If you can truly get all roads to lead to Rome, yours will be an empire of great riches and luxuries. Surely then our citizens will proclaim you as their best ruler, the Optimus Princeps.
Yo, this is the one.
Steam hisses from the ground here, rising in swirling clouds.
Our civilization has a...
Was that a wise decision? Was that a wise decision?
This river has floodplain.
Off,
I'm fond of pigs. At his best, no man ever wetted.
As our civic knowledge grows,
That's the positive aspect of...
Yes. აჰა, ნეცა.
მეფე ყოვლისა საქართველოს.
The man who has grit enough to...
Fuck, man.
This volcano is quiet now.
I've got maps. Fucking awful.
Skill without imagination is craftsmanship, and gives us... When you find yourself in a hole, quit digging.
suggestion.
Yes.
Our people have.
Mm-hmm.
Azametü top
Oh,
kapıda.
hello, Matt. Yeah. We ain't fuck all that.
Then weave the web of the mystic measure from the depths of the sky.
Triple chair. Lass. Whoa.
Vessels large may venture more.
Yeah.
We now have the opportunity to appoint a governor to our civil. Our governor is now on the.
It was luxuries like air conditioning that brought.
Patience most welcome. Yes.
I don't believe in astrology. I'm a Sagittarius.
You fucking attack Kerry. Fucking attack Kerry. Huh? No.
Once again, we have the opportunity. We are now ready to choose where to build our government buildings.
It is equally important to have a happy and engaged workforce.
Relax.
Anuk Dido.
Silver. Perkins.
Civilizations have uncovered
Okay. It's fun now. What a bunch of fucking barbarians, man.
Sade cihan olur.
Yay.
Of course, by divide and rule.
Yay.
South.
En az
Oh, hello.
Writing means
The time has come to choose which of our accomplishments to commemorate in our history. History.
Tell me what. Mission. Ooh.
Great news.
Science. Nice science through that. Oh, oh. No, fuck, set that. Yes!
Monet, if it does not...
Slim.
People who cannot find time for
افرحوا معي يا أصدقائي.
Young. Be my friend. Oh, mijn vriend, ja.
Each of us is carving a stone.
Whoa. Yes! Oh no! Abs and off and pointless.
Our people know this new resource may be essential for the...
Bronze is the mirror.
Wat is je fucking hebben?
The rising world.
Whoa. I get it now.
All the world's a stage.
Sweet absolut zit die mij in. Oh, wat.
Sometimes the wheel turns slow.
Ja. Wie aan een effing hapen. Wie aan een hapen roer. Oh shit. I'll go beginnen weer in. Please do that thing. Please do it. Woo! Oh shit, waar ben je nou? Ben de.
I shot an arrow into the air.
Nee, jongen. Din puffe weg, din puffe weg. Just for this. Okay. Wacht, de wanden dort. Zet de toren dort.
შენი ხალხი ნამეტნავად დაჯერებულ არ.
Wie een. Oh. Minus 20. It's 13.
No hour of life is wasted.
Sadık.
Shit.
I've lived through some terrible...
Shit. Zo, ga je weer?
We are losing loyalty.
Ga je weer? Ga je weer? Purchase. Nee, dan.
The Lord made us all.
Hang on. Yeah. Nu har vi stoppet med det, så vi på i det för. Pass. Let's go. No, them have. Ooh, yes. She got that. Ja. I'll do that. Yes. Who's it? It's human. It's not human.
Defense is superior to opulence.
Thank you. Go on. What? Points. Balder. You like them apples? Oce, dwi am fynd rhan, cos mae gennym fi bwyd ar y ffordd. Diolch yn fawr, dwi'n mewn ceg yn gwachio fi. Diolch yn fawr, siwr na i streamio cael ymlaen am hwn wedyn. Ar ôl bwyd, tan yna,